You are going to love the 2015 XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.